Gold prices rallied to the record levels here. Yes, we have seen gold prices moving close to the next resistance zone at 37, 30, 33, which I have discussed in my weekly reviews, in my daily forecast today, early in the day as well, that 37, 30, 33 should be a good resistance zone, and it might try to achieve that. This is done, it appears. While and can we expect a further rally? Are we looking forward to a move towards 3750 and 3800 mark here? That is the first question we are going to answer in this update. Next is, if you look at the crude oil, we have seen it dropping right from the highs at 63. Again, the same resistance zone we have discussed, 63, 63.3, 63.6 levels. Failing to do so, we have seen a reversal here. Can we expect a bounce back? And if you look at Tech 100 and Dow Jones, both have dropped sharp today earlier in the day. Yes, with the beginning of the week, we have seen slight bearishness. Both are trading at the record levels, and now we are seeing slight bearishness. So what should we expect from these four instruments with the US session? What should be our strategy? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're going to see here in this single update. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil. Lastly, Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Watch till. First, if you look at gold on the hourly charts, the 5-period moving average here also giving it a little support. Now 37.20, 37.12 is the zone it has to trade below. If at all gold prices trades below 37.20, 37.12, we can expect it to move towards 3700 mark. And now see, the most critical zone for the day is at 36.84.85. Only and only if you see gold trading below 36.84.85, that's a reversal. Else it is right now trading bullish. Moving average is trading with divergence, too much of divergence, too much of bullishness here. If you see the stochastic, this is back to overbought zone, but this is just on the hourly charts. It can stretch this for a while before reversing. If you see the MACD, this is also at the highs. And if you look at the MACD for the last few moves here, you can find out from these levels it tries to reverse, and possibly this could be the beginning of slight retracement or reversal here in gold prices, and hence again 37, 30, 33 should be a very good resistance. RSI is also extremely overbought here. Coming to 2-hour, if you look at the 2-hour charts, the base created here is at 36.20 levels. Since then you can see first, second, third, then higher highs, then a good pullback, then higher highs. It might follow with a good pullback at least till towards 26.40 levels, but right now it is not showing any such sign. Again, 26.84.85 is the level for the day. It has to trade below. In 37 84, 85 is the level below which only you can expect slight bearishness to prevail, else it is right now trading bullish here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Clearly preceding two candles closing at the top, higher lows are seen, and now if you see it is staying beyond 37.33, we can expect another round of rise. First should be towards 37.41 and then towards 37.50. Moving averages, trading with divergence, is staying bullish here as well. Stochastic getting overbought, the MACD is also at the top, and the RSI is entering into overbought zone. Things are getting slightly overbought, but gold is not willing to give up as of now. Similar observation on the 3-hour charts. Rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement. Again, a bigger rise might follow with a bigger retracement, but it might try to move towards this zone here. So that is one possibility you should watch out for. The moving average is again starting to diverge. Support is sign for further bullishness. Stochastic extremely overbought. The MACD, which has hit a bottom here, since the crossover is now trading with strong divergence and strong bullish indication. RSI overbought here. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour charts, despite the preceding candle closing at the top, see, this is also trading at outside Bollinger Bands, and hence sustaining completely outside bands is going to be difficult, but it is not willing to give up. Also, second observation here is the body size is getting smaller here. That is second observation. Third is the support it has got here at 36.84.85. So till 36.84.85 is not taken, you should not be treating gold as bearish. It might try to erase some of the gains. It might try to move towards 3700 mark, but only bearishness today is below 36.84.85 mark. Moving averages divergent, staying bullish. Stochastic extremely overbought, while the MACD and RSI both are rising. Coming to daily. Now on the daily charts, if you look at, see, Friday, this was the candle here. Today it is the continuation of the same momentum, almost similar size it is delivered here. Also see this higher highs and higher lows. It is respecting this channel. That is the first part. Second part, if you see, it has created the base now at 36 30, 36, 40 zone, and with that you can see first rise retracement, second rise retracement, third rise. So possibly today could be the last one, and possibly this could begin reversing from tomorrow, but right now it is not suggestive of same. I will definitely watch out for where it closes today. If at all its closes under 3700 mark, that's a sign that possibly tomorrow it might try to start erasing the gains here. Right now it is staying bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD at top, RSI extremely overbought. So considering this, what you should do? Before I give you the trading levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do join the mentorship batch. 34th batch commenced last week, 35th batch reservations are open. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. And if you are looking forward to a trusted partner, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first thing is where you should buy. I will only recommend you to buy if you now see gold trading beyond 37.33 mark, expect 37.41 and then 37.50. Now, this is one mark which gold has to trade above, because beyond this, ideally, now we are looking at 3800 levels very, very soon, if not today. So, 37.50 is one critical milestone which it has to trade above. Right now, it is struggling here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 37.22 levels. Expect 37.12, 14 as the first target zone, 3700 as the next. Once it trades below 3700, chances will be high. First is 3692 and then 3684.85. Any point of time, gold trading below 3684.85, just stay with the sells here. Just stay short from there. Expect 3660 and then 3630 levels. Below this is where the real bearishness will be seen. Else, as long as 3630 is respected, do not trade gold as bearish here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to crude oil. See, crude oil again respecting this channel here, moving lower, and now it has come down towards the support zone at 61.8, 61.5, which is the crucial zone which oil has to trade below. Right now it is trading in this bearish channel. Today what it has done, it has reversed from the highs close to 63. Now we know 63, 63.3, 63.6 is the resistance zone. It has to trade above in order to confirm any kind of bullishness. Right now it is suggestive of more bearishness here. Let's watch out. If at all it trades below 61.5, 61.4, you can stay with the sells. Stochastic getting oversold. The MACD again crossed over and trading with bearishness, looking downwards. RSI also coming to an oversold zone. Next, on the 2-hour charts, what it has done, drop retracement towards 63 and then taking a huge hit here. It appears it might try to breach below 61.5, 61.4, which is a crucial milestone for oil to break below. Right now, even if you see this move, you can find out, see, this is still respecting, see, the delta here is almost same, higher highs and higher lows. So it can still possibly reverse, but not if it trades below 61.5, 61.4. Because what will happen then, it will come out of this retracement channel, it will then correct sharp all the way towards 61 and $60 zone very, very soon. Notice it has waited for the 20 period to come down, kissed 20 period. Now the 20, 50, 100 all have crossed over. This is certainly a bearish indication. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading with divergence and staying bearish. RSI sitting at the bottom here. Look at 3-hour. Similar observation here on the 3-hour charts. The moving average is crossing over here, and see, it has breached past the support here at 62.3. Earlier in the day I have mentioned, once it trades below 62.3, possibility will be high that 61.8 will be seen, and if that is taken, you can expect more bearishness. Right now it is delivering the same, but I'll wait for 61.4, 61.5 to be taken in order to confirm a complete down break here. Else what's happening, see, since the drop, it is trying to pull back. It might try to again move on the upside towards 62.5, 62.6 zone. Stochastic looking down, the MACD trading sharply bearish. The RSI is at bottom here. On the 4-hour charts also similar observation. The crossover in the moving averages is a sign of more bearishness here, but when you look at the move, it is still delivering and respecting this channel here. Wait for it to trade below the preceding lows, and that will confirm a complete down break here. Stochastic bearish, MACD bearish, RSI is also dropped here. Coming to daily, now when you look at the daily chart, see the drop, retracement, bigger drop here, and now this could be a confirmation of a breakout if it trades below 61.5, 61.4 and then 61. If 61 is taken, remember it might deliver a greater down move here towards 60, 59.2 and lower levels. Right now it is showing slight struggle. Let's wait for where it closes today. Any closing beyond 62.6 is a good sign that possibly it might continue with the reversal tomorrow. Right now, I think that it is going to be difficult now for it to trade beyond 63, though these are markets. Stochastic getting oversold, MACD again trying to cross over for sell, and RSI bearish. So considering this, now remember the preceding uh, the levels which were the support here are now going to be the resistance. So I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 62.3, expect 62.6 and then 63. If and only if it trades beyond 63, you should treat this as a reversal. And then again 63.3, 63.6, same levels, we are still sticking to the same levels. And then 64, any move beyond 64 is the confirmation of breakout. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here at 61.75. Expect 61.5, 61.4 as the first target zone. If this is taken, 61 as the next, 61, 61.1 as the next. And if this is taken, ideally we are looking at 60.6, 60. And once it trades below 60, this might invite a stronger bearish move towards 59.2. And then 57.8 has to be there very, very soon. Trade accordingly. Now let's move to Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 finding it difficult to trade beyond 24,620, 640 zone, the zone which we had discussed earlier in the day as a greater resistance. Price is reversed from the same zone, but it is yet to break below the crucial support at 24,500. Now 24,500, 450 and 400 are the three levels which Tech 100 has to trade below. Only and only if it trades below 24,400, you can say that now is the time for Tech 100 to drop sharp, and then I will look forward to the next milestone directly at 24,300 levels. The moving averages have started to converge, but it is not yet crossed over. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD has also crossed over, and this is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has also seen a good drop here. Coming to on the 2 hour charts, the price is seen taking support from 20 period, and hence we have to now wait for it to trade below 24,500. That is the only level below which you can expect slight bearishness, and then to with the support at 24,450, 400 levels. And right now I can see that what's happening. Notice this rise, retracement towards 20 period, rise, retracement towards 20 period, higher lows and higher highs. So it is still keeping itself intact in this bullish channel. Any move beyond 24,620, 640 is a clear confirmation, clear sign of a greater rise ahead. Stochastic at bottom here, the MACD just crossing over, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI is also shown a good drop here. Look at 3 hour. Similarly, on the 3 hour chart, the 20 period is offering it a very, very good support. Very, very crucial for Tech 100 to trade below 24,500 levels. And as and how it trades below 24,500, you can expect slight bearishness. Specifically, 24,450 is a very good support. 24,400 is the next. Else, once it trades below 24,400, stay tuned for a greater drop here. Now see, it is reversing from the top of the channel, and see, every time it is reversed, it has taken the support from 20 period and bounced back. Now this time it has to decide the direction it wants to take, and any move below 24,300 is the confirmation of a greater reversal here in Tech 100. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD just crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish. RSI has also shown a good drop here. On the 4 hour charts, when you look the 4 hour charts, see, showing a reversal sign, we have seen couple of red candles. There is a possibility of the third red candle. So only buying entry is about 24,620, 640. That is pretty clear here. As long as it stays below this, you should not be treating Tech 100 as bullish. And yes, it can deliver the third candle, which is going to take it towards 24,450, 400 levels. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD just crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness here. And the RSI is also come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the daily. Now see, on the daily chart, see, first of all, symmetrical move is what you can expect here. Lower highs are seen. So possibly now once it trades below that 5 period moving average, because see, so far for the last multiple sessions, despite this one breakout, the 5 period has offered it a very, very good support. That thus it is pretty crucial for Tech 100 to close the day below 5 period moving average. Specifically, a drop below 24,400 will be a confirmation of a greater down move. It can take a vertical hit here. Stochastic extremely overbought. MACD at the top. RSI is also looking downwards, staying bearish. So considering this, now where you should buy. Now ideally the buying entry has to be about 24,620, 640 zone, but since this is far beyond. Now before I provide you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join the mentorship batch, which is commenced last week, and the next batch dates are also announced. Be a part of it. Register yourself now itself, as you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where you're trading as per the signals you can profit. Write an email, ping me or telegram for queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first is where you should buy. I can recommend you to buy 24,572 levels. Expect 24,600, 24,630, 640. If this is taken, then one can stay bullish. Expect 24,708. And if that is taken, you can expect 24,750, 760 and 24,800 levels the next. Only and only if it trades beyond 24,800, you can just stay bullish for 25,000 levels as well, very soon, if not today. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at now 24,500 levels. Expect 24,450, 400. If 400 is taken, then 300, 320 should be there. And if 24 300 320 zone is taken, stay short for a greater down move. 24 180 24,000 levels should be there very soon, if not today. Trade accordingly. Now let's move to Dow Jones. See, if you look at the move here in US30, it has achieved higher highs and now higher lows. Here it is trading in this bullish channel. Any move beyond 46 300 330 zone is a good sign for further bullishness, but till 46 400 is not taken, I will not be treating this as bullish. Also on the downside, it is pretty crucial for US30 to trade below 46 100 mark. And once it trades below 46 100, there could be increase in bearishness here, which might take it towards 46,000, 45,800 levels here. Right now, it is not suggestive of such a strong bearish move. Though the stochastic, MACD and RSI on the hourly charts, all the three are staying bearish. Look at 2-hour charts. What's happening here? Rise, then a pullback. Support here, rise. Now consolidation here, waiting for a breakout move. Specifically below 46 100, 46,000 zone is where the real bearishness will be seen. Stochastic already at bottom, while the MACD and RSI is still staying bearish, looking downwards. On the 3-hour charts, and you see on the 3-hour chart, similar observation, slightly higher lows and higher highs are still is what you can see here. Thus, it is pretty important for US30 to trade below 46 100, 46,000 levels. And then we can expect increase in bearishness below 45 950, stay short for 45 800 and lower levels. Yes, the stochastic is at bottom. The MACD crossing over at the top, trading with divergence is a good sign for prevailing bearishness. The RSI is also shown a good drop here. On the 4-hour charts, when you look at on the 4-hour charts, it is price has come towards the support here. Let it trade below 46 100. Now 46 100 on the downside, very good resistance, very good support here. And then once it trades below 46 100, you can expect a greater down move here. While on the upside now, 46 300 is what it has to trade above in order to confirm any kind of reversal. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to now on the daily charts, remember, as long as the price respects the last trading session's lows, you should not be treating this as bearish, which means it has to now trade below 46,000, 45,950 levels in order to confirm a move towards 45,800. Yes, it could be the confirmation of possible reversal here. Though right now, when you also notice, since the rise, we have seen a good retracement, and since the retracement, you can see this is how it has been trading. 20 period has offered it a very good support always, which means even if it tries to drop 45,800 should be an extremely strong support. Stochastic overbought, MACD flat, RSI trying to look downward. So looking at this, what I'll recommend where you should buy, I will only recommend you to buy now at 46 220 levels. Expect 46 300 as the first mark. This is the mark US30 needs to trade above, and then you can expect 46 350, 46 400. Once it trades beyond 46 400, just close your eyes, stay bullish for 46 600 mark very soon, and then 46 800 will also be there. Though I am not looking forward to such a great rise, the bulls appear to be slightly exhausted. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 46 100 levels only. Expected to move towards 46050 till 45 950. It's 50 points trailing stop loss. 46k 45095 45950. If this is taken, then you can expect the next targets to be towards 45 800 840. And if this is taken, I think we are ready for a good round of drop towards 45 600, 45 400 levels very soon, if not today. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.